Ready to finally organize your favorite songs, podcasts, or movies in VLC Media Player? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create and save custom playlists in VLC. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll be able to set up playlists you can play or share anytime. No more hunting for files one by one. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open the playlist window. VLC makes this easy. Just open up the app, then head to the View menu right at the top. Click on Playlist. If you want to speed things up, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+L if you're on Windows or Linux, or CMD+L on a Mac. This opens a new, clean window where your playlist will start to take shape. Think of it like laying out an empty tray, ready to fill with all your favorite media. Now, let's add some files. There are a couple of ways to do this, so choose whichever is most comfortable for you. If you already have everything handy, just drag and drop your chosen audio or video files right onto the playlist window. VLC will instantly add them in the order you drop them. If you prefer to browse, just right-click inside the playlist area and select Add File to pick individual tracks or Add Folder. If you want to include everything inside a folder, perfect for whole albums or a collection of lectures. Don't worry if you make a mistake or want to add more later. You can keep adding as much as you like until your playlist feels just right. Sometimes the order of your tracks matters. Maybe you want to start with an upbeat song or have a specific video play first in a movie marathon. Good news, organizing your playlist is super simple. Just click and drag any item within the list to move it up or down. You'll see the lineup change instantly, so experiment until everything's in the perfect sequence. This step is totally optional, but it can make your listening or viewing experience so much smoother. Alright, now for the most important part, saving your playlist. This ensures all the work you've put in is ready to come back to next time, or even share with friends. Go up to the Media menu at the top left. From here, choose Save Playlist to File. A dialog box appears, letting you pick a location on your computer. It could be your desktop, Documents folder, wherever you'll remember. Enter a name for your playlist. I usually pick something memorable like cartoons or weekend movies, but you can name it anything that helps you find it later. Before clicking Save, look for the Save as Type drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select either M3U or XSPF format. These are the standard playlist types, super reliable and compatible with lots of media players, not just VLC. M3U is especially common and works well even if you switch computers or share with friends. XSPF is another solid choice for more advanced playlist features. Once you've picked a format, click Save. You're done. Your playlist is ready to open, play, or pass along anytime. And that's it. Creating and saving playlists in VLC is actually pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. If any part feels tricky, take your time. It's perfectly normal to need a moment to organize or name your playlists, especially the first time. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need help with a specific playlist, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to answer. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, helpful tutorials just like this. Happy listening and watching.